The 2016 RCCG Holy Ghost Service is on Friday, June 10th, 7 p.m. to midnight at the International Center, 6900 Airport Road, Mississauga. The theme is Latter Rain, featuring Pastor E.A. Adeboye.
Science works with the laws of nature. Miracles happen when the spiritual laws come in to suspend, not cancel, suspend the laws of nature for a particular person, for a particular reason, for a particular season.
I've been bleeding for the past 1 year, every day, for the past 1 year. And at times it will get to a state that they will have to call ambulance for me and I will get blood transfusion. Every time anybody comes across with me, they know right away that I'm pale and everybody is concerned. So I bless the name of the Lord tonight that God met with me. Ever since Daddy mentioned that case, I have not felt anything up till now. Praise the Lord.
The RCCG Mass Choir and award-winning artist, Sinach.
Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper.
Admission is free. Visit rccgcanada.org or call 1-866-586-RCCG.